What's up, y'all? So your girl is up late because, well, a pastry chef's job is never done. I was here trying to makeshift a what you call it, like a stand, because I don't actually have like a tripod, as they say. But your girl is baking tonight. I'm making a vegan chocolate coconut cake. And I made it kind of on a whim. My mom was over. She said she was craving chocolate cake or whatever have you. So I was like, all right. But we didn't make it vegan. And so I was like, all right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to do it vegan. So here goes the ingredients. Right there. And that's just what I had. I didn't have any more organic sugar. But I said, that'll work. And I just want to play around in this kitchen. I love to play with flavors and always test my skills. So that's what your girl's going to be doing. But I'll be back because I got to put this camera down in order to actually do that. So I'm in here jamming. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. But it's all good. I'm excited and I'm in the zone right now. And I'm about to get this delicious cake popping. All right, guys, I'll be back. Hey guys, it's your girl coming back. All right, so listen. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I measured out my measurements. So I had shown you what I was using, right? So there was a few changes that I decided to make. So let me see if I can get this. Hold up. Lord. In this bowl here, hold on. I'm still learning this whole camera thing. It's crazy. But in one bowl, this bowl here, the big bowl, we have flour, we have a little bit of cornstarch, baking powder, salt. And here we have brown sugar and white sugar. We have 100% dark chocolate that we're going to melt with boiling water. And then we have cocoa powder, and this is our coconut oil. I hope I got all that in. So right now I'm actually boiling water because that I've learned is a major major plus for chocolate cake, especially chocolate cake. Like it just gives it this fluff and this yumminess and this soft tender crumb to a chocolate cake. So if you didn't know that, that is a good tip to follow. So my water is ready. I'm gonna see if I can prop this up and then I'm gonna see, hold on 1 second, y'all. Hey guys, so I'm not quite sure what you missed because I pressed something and it stopped recording. So what I added was I mixed my dry ingredients together. So I mixed the sugar and the cocoa powder with the flour, the baking powder and the salt. I also have a little bit of cornstarch in there. So I originally put 2 cups of flour in this recipe, but then I realized that because I'm actually making a vegan version of this recipe, I decided to take a 1/4 cup of the flour out and add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch in. And I think, if my theory is correct, I think that's what's gonna make it nice and tender and soft and luscious, because that's what a chocolate cake should be. But I added my coconut oil, my vanilla paste, and that's it. And then my boiling water is ready. I probably said this in my other clip, but pay me no mind because it is 1:30 in the morning. And I'm basically going to take 2 cups of boiling water and I'm actually going to pour it over the chocolate. Believe it or not. Yeah. I'm going to pour it over the chocolate. Obviously, it's going to make the chocolate melt. Let me get a little bit more because that wasn't a complete 2 cups. And I'm going to let that kind of melt and I'm going to stir this. I'm going to stir this nicely. All right. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you what it looks like blended and then put it in the pan, bake it. And then when it's done baking, I'm going to take it out and I'll show you what that looks like too. All right. I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey guys. Okay. So listen. Okay. So here is the batter. Let me see if you can get a good, and it's like really just yum-alicious. Okay, I'm actually gonna put this in my prepped pan. And this is how I prepped it. So I put a little bit of coconut oil at the bottom, and then I dusted it with some cocoa powder. So that way it assures that it won't stick. So I'm gonna actually try to prop you up again. If, you know what? Because I don't have, hold up, let me see. Can I do it? Y'all gonna be, no, I can't because it won't let me be great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it. Oh God. I'm gonna pour it into the pan and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all? All right, guys, so I got it in the pan, okay? And I actually have a little left over. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make a few cupcakes just because I'm probably wanna eat some before I go to bed because I gotta stay up and wait for the cake to actually be done. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And when it's done, I'll show you the finished product. Like I said, I was playing around with it, and what I wanna do with this cake is the goal is to, one, hope that it comes out the way I imagine it to come out, and then I want to do a special coconut rum filling that I just think will be so, so good. It actually reminds me of like the flavors I was playing with before when I made this cake was with like roasted pecans and roasted almonds and such, and it made it taste like a really good almond joy, but like a whole nother level. So I'm gonna do this, put this in the oven, let it bake, make my little extra cupcakes, eat a cupcake probably, which I probably shouldn't, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And and yeah, I will let you guys know what the finished product looks like. All right, y'all. Yeah, thanks for hanging out with me tonight. All right. Hey guys, so I am waiting for my baked goods to be done. As you guys know, I'm making a luscious vegan coconut chocolate cake, and I'm really curious to see how it's gonna turn out because I was looking at it in the oven. I just put it in, so I'm like, okay, it's giving me some rise already, so I'm like, okay, you know, so I'm excited, but your girl is tired because it's, what is it, 1:30, 1:45 in the morning. It's funny, I'm tired, but I'm not tired. I'm kind of like in my zone. My kids are asleep. I get to just bake, and there's peace and quiet for all the parents out there. You know what it is, like when your household settles down, you know what I mean? Like, even though I could appreciate sleep right now, I also probably appreciate peace and quiet even more. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm chilling, I'm waiting, and like I said, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna let you guys see the finished product as far as the finished baked product, and then when I fill it and ice it, then you'll get to see what that looks like. And yeah, I'm kind of excited, but at the moment I'm kind of just in a zone. Like, I put on some music and I was like, wait a minute. I am in a zone. I'm feeling it too. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to do, I mean, mind you, I do a lot of late night baking. For every chef out there, you already know what it is. For every catering chef, pastry chef, I don't care what you do, you're constantly up, especially if your mind races with recipes and ideas. And sometimes you get so excited about it that you want to do it right then and there. So if you know how that feels, then I feel like you feel me, you know? But yeah, so in the meantime, your girl's just gonna chill, but I just wanted to test something out. Tomorrow's gonna be our beginning of our, what do you call it, Cookies for Kids fundraiser bake sale. So I'm excited for that. And yeah, so as we wait, all right, y'all, I'll see y'all in a bit.